So let's see what we got inside. Oh my gosh, guys. Apply some even pressure on both ends. Oh, there we go. There we go. What's up, Hemifam family? It is a great day. The 2020 Widebody Scat Pack Charger Dashboard Emblem just came in the mail from Steve White Motors. A huge shout out and thank you to them. They have hooked us up many times before, and I really cannot thank them enough for all their support with the old Hag and with their latest edition, the 2020 Scat Pack Charger Widebody Badge. So before we get off into today's video, be sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, if it helped you. Be sure you like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you can stay up to date with all things Hemifam. So let's go ahead and get off into today's video. And we're going to be doing the unboxing and install. So as you can see, Steve White packages it in a really nice box here. Let's go ahead and open that baby up. Get the box out of the way. Okay, so here we are, guys. We have the part number for you guys. Comes in the basic OEM Mopar bag. So let's see what we got inside. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this emblem. This 392 with this honeycomb on there. Oh my goodness.
Nice.
I'm telling you guys, this wide body badge really looks good. They've done a really great job, and I am super excited to get this on the car, on the dashboard. Today is Friday. I have a show coming up tomorrow in San Diego, the Daily Drivers Inc., the Winter Wonder Slam show. So with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get this in the car. I've been driving around with a big fat hole in my dashboard, and I am super happy to get this on there. It's gonna look awesome on the inside, guys. So let's go ahead and get this on the car. All right, guys, here we are in this fun awkward position with this tripod, lights, mic, big ass camera in this car. I'll try to get a picture for you guys. But like I said, here we are in the car. We have the 392 Scat Pack wide body badge that we are about to install. I mean, it's a super easy install. There's 2 clips and a guide rod, so there's no way you are going to mess up the orientation of the install and have it upside down. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a little closer view here. And I'm going to take this badge and hopefully apply some even pressure on both ends. Just like that. And there it is, guys. It just kind of snapped into place. Oh, there we go. There we go. I don't know if you guys heard that back over here on my end, but there is a nice audible click that you will hear and feel, and it is fully inserted in the car here. Let's see if I can get a little microfiber towel to wipe her down. But oh man, this is looking really good here in the car, guys. I'm super impressed. I mean, look at just that honeycomb, the tiny little emblems that match the exterior, and of course your Scat Pack B. This badge looks really good, and I'm super excited that it got here, that it's on the car. These have been sought after for a really long time. So a huge shout out to Steve White Motors for sending us out this 392 badge so we can do a install video for you guys, unboxing, show you guys what it is, what it looks like, where to get it, and all of that good stuff. So check the video description for the link where you can get this badge and many other badges that Steve White Motors makes for Chargers, Mopars. They also have this for Challengers, except it is the actual whole AC vent because the badge and the vent are combined on the Challenger. But you can get that, guys. I will put the link in the video description. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, if it helped you. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and check the video description for all of our social media links and handles. Follow us there. We also have a really cool affiliate section, guys, Lux Auto Concepts, and you can check out the link to get this badge and Steve White Motors. So with all that being said, I really can't thank each and every one of you for watching, tuning in. Be sure you are subscribed, and as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.